The wait for Apple's first foldable iPhone might finally be coming to an end. After years of speculation, reports suggest that Apple is preparing to begin mass production of foldable iPhone and even a foldable MacBook later this year. If things go as planned, these devices could hit the market by late 2026 or early 2027, marking Apple's entry into the foldable technology space. Unlike Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip, which folds vertically, Apple is expected to go with a book-style design similar to the Galaxy Z Fold. This means the foldable iPhone, though its official name is still unknown, will open like a book, revealing a large internal screen while remaining compact when folded. Apple is not rushing into the foldable market just to compete. Instead, it has been working on fixing some of the most common issues seen in foldable devices, particularly the visible crease in the middle of the screen. To solve this, Apple is reportedly using a liquid metal hinge, which could significantly reduce the crease and enhance durability. Respected Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo claims that this advanced hinge design will not only make the device stronger, but also create a much smoother display when unfolded. Apple has experimented with liquid metal before, but mainly in small components like SIM ejector tools. Using it for a hinge would be a much bigger challenge, but if successful, it could set Apple's foldable apart from the competition. Battery life is another area where Apple is making improvements. A tech insider known as U1122 has leaked that Apple is developing a more advanced display driver IC (DDI), which could make the screen thinner and more power efficient. This would be a crucial upgrade since foldable phones require additional power to support their larger screens. With better power management, Apple's foldable iPhone could stay cooler and last longer on a single charge, making it more practical for everyday use. Leaked details suggest that the foldable iPhone will feature a 7.8-inch inner display, providing a tablet-like experience when unfolded. When closed, it will have a more manageable 5.5-inch outer screen, allowing users to navigate easily without always opening the device. Naturally, it will run on iOS, ensuring seamless integration with Apple's ecosystem, which is one of the biggest advantages of choosing an Apple product. Beyond the foldable iPhone, Apple's upcoming foldable MacBook is also generating a lot of excitement. This device is rumored to have an 18.8-inch flexible display and run on macOS, potentially reshaping the laptop industry. If Apple successfully brings both of these foldable products to market, it could introduce a new wave of innovation across multiple tech categories. Apple is known for taking its time before adopting new technology, often waiting until it can perfect the design and performance. If all the reports are accurate, the foldable iPhone could stand out with its strong durability, improved battery life, and a nearly invisible crease, features that could set a new benchmark for foldable devices. However, one major concern remains the price. Foldable phones are already among the most expensive smartphones, and Apple is unlikely to make its version any more affordable. With the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 expected to start at around $1,900, industry analysts believe Apple's foldable iPhone could cost between $2,000 and $2,500. This price point might make some consumers hesitate, especially when Apple's standard iPhones are already expensive. Despite the high price, Apple has a history of attracting buyers with its premium designs and brand loyalty. If the foldable iPhone delivers real improvements and a refined user experience, it could push foldable devices further into the mainstream. More leaks and details are expected to emerge as production nears, but one thing is clear. Apple is taking a big step, and the tech world is eagerly waiting to see what happens next. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations.